proven home remedies to get rid of mold. Environmental variables may cause mold to grow on your home's walls and tiles, despite regular cleaning. They are not only unattractive, but they can cause allergies, skin infections, skin irritation, and sinus infections, among other health problems. Here are 8 tried and true home methods for mold removal. Soap water. Soapy water is an excellent first aid treatment for mold. As soon as you notice mold in any location, scrub it away with a scrubber or saltpaper. Now use soapy water to clean the area. To prevent mold regrowth, use detergents to wash away the mold and then repeat the process every day. Distilled ethanol. Purchase a special sort of distilled ethanol from any pest control store. It should be sprayed in the mold-infested regions. Ethanol kills mold and prevents it from regrowing in mold-prone regions. Tile and grout sealing. To reduce mold growth due to excessive moisture, use tile sealants to seal the additional area between the tiles. There are organic tile and grout sealants on the market that you can buy and apply yourself at home to permanently remove mold. Grapefruit extract. Grapefruit extracts are the finest for eliminating mold from any surface, despite the fact that they are a little pricey. The wonderful thing about grapefruit extracts is that they eliminate mold without leaving an acidic odor behind. When used on a surface, it is also safe to have children around. Chlorine bleach. Chlorine bleach is the most affordable but most effective technique to entirely remove mold. To get rid of mold for good, simply sprinkle chlorine bleach on the surface and scrub the area with a scrubber or sponge. Alcohol spray. Not only can vodka help with stress, but it also helps with mold. Fill a spray bottle halfway with vodka and spritz it immediately on the moldy areas. In a matter of seconds, the mold becomes frizzy. Using a good wiping sponge, quickly wipe away the dead mold. Hydrogen peroxide. Add a teaspoon of hydrogen peroxide to a cup of water. Fill a spray bottle halfway with the solution and spritz it on the damaged wall or surface. Allow 10 to 15 minutes for the process to complete. Meanwhile, combine half a teaspoon of baking soda and a cup of water in a mixing bowl. Clean the surface with the prior solution, then spray the baking soda mixture over the mold-prone regions to prevent mold from growing. Dehumidifier. Mold and mildew grow in damp conditions. A dehumidifier may be necessary in wet sections of the home, such as bathrooms and kitchens. Also, make sure to address any faulty plumbing and avoid keeping damp rugs, moist towels, or wet clothes lying around because mold and mildew thrive in these conditions. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.